Hello, everybody. How are we all doing today? Wow. This is not my normal type of video. This is a rant. This is a buyer beware. This is to prove the old Adam that there's a sucker born every minute. And in this case, I was the sucker. I went on Wish.com, as you could probably tell by the video, and I bought this phone. Now, we'll pop it up and everything, but this is the phone I bought. And when it arrived, I was somewhat impressed. It's a good feeling phone. It's a little plasticky, but at the time, I paid $75, $85 for it. And I was impressed with the specs. And we'll put that up on the screen. But when it arrived, being Wish, I expected just a plastic bag with a phone tossed in it. But I was kind of surprised that we got a nice box. And it actually had the info on it. And a few little things. It came with USB cord. I'll maybe use it for something. Came with a really cheap case, if they can call that a case. And it came with some headphones that the cord is so short that unless I have it in my shirt pocket, they're useless. But it was the specs of the phone that got me. To be honest, I should have known better. It's Wish. But it told me it was a 10 core, which is really good. It had a great screen. It had a 34 megapixel camera, both front and back. All the specs were there, and it was running Android 10, which was great. And when I got the phone, we powered it on. I'll try and do that now. Well, that was the other thing when I got this phone, and you can still see it, sort of see it now. The power button was actually not there. It was when I'd opened it to install the battery, it was just floating around in the bottom of the case, and I was just lucky I found it. So there, you can see now it's powered on. The phone itself always goes into safe mode. Kind of scary. And when you turn it on, after a couple of minutes, there we go, it pops up. Sorry, I know you can't really read it, but it says, unfortunately, Google Play services have stopped working. So, being the kind of techie guy I am, I went online, found out to do a hard reset. You press this and this, you wait 5 seconds, and guess what? It doesn't work. So I tried doing the other common ones. None of them work. So there's no way to really hard reset this phone. Now you can normally in Android go into your settings, choose the phone and reset, and do a reset through there. But because the Google Play services aren't working, you can't get into the settings. So you've got this great little catch-22 that basically the phone is a piece of shit. You can't do anything with it. I have been able to send a few texts, but they take forever because this keeps popping up all the time, and you have to keep pressing, and maybe it'll work one of these times. Like there, it's shut off, but it just comes back. So, from the specs of the phone, and it said it was a 10 core or an octo core, and it's not. It's a 4 core. And the reason I can tell that is because I don't know if these people just don't know or just don't care. But there's this great little program available called CPU Monitor that tells you the specs of everything. So the phone that was supposed to be a 10 core, which they called an octo-core, which means 8, is actually a 4 core. The 48 megapixel camera, 3 megapixel. And that's extrapolated. It's not even true 3 megapixel. It's like old webcam technology. It's 1080p that they extrapolate to make a 3 megapixel image. So in other words, the camera is crap. The Android 10 is Android 6, so it can't even be updated because it is too old. Android doesn't even recognize this phone or this OS anymore. And I found that out when I went to install a program and it told me my OS is out of date. Now, I don't know how a new phone that's supposed to have a new OS is out of date. So this is why I started looking into all of this. So really what this whole message is about, this whole video is about, is if you're on Wish, if you're on Ali.com or AliExpress, you're on eBay, you're on Amazon even, because I've seen this phone on Amazon, is beware. Read the reviews. Look into the phone. I was tempted by a price, and that has so come back and bit me in the ass. Now, a lot of you are going, yeah, but it's Wish, so you can just contact them and send it back. I tried that. And my response from Wish was, well, does the phone work? Does it power on? Yeah, it does. After I fixed the phone and reinstalled the power button. And Wish basically said, but you received a working product. So they didn't even care that this is a fraud, total misleading advertising, a fake, and a counterfeit phone. This phone isn't worth much more than the plastic it's made out of. And even that, probably not so much. So, I just want to let you guys know, beware. Be careful when you're shopping online. Don't fall for everything that people say. Just because they go, it's this and this and this and that, chances are it's not. And if that price seems too good to be true, chances are it is. Thank God, since I bought this piece of crap, I have since ordered another phone, not off Wish, but off Amazon, and that'll be here hopefully in a week, so we'll have a phone again soon. But this, like I say, is a cautionary tale. So beware out there. Be careful what you're buying. And just remember, when it comes to Wish, most of the time, you'll wish you saved your money. Don't bother with them. Have a great day, everyone. I hope I don't have to do too many more videos like this crap. I put this out on Twitter, including a chance for Wish to respond to this. And so far, the response has been zip. So we're going to keep hounding them because I'm not taking this shit lying down. And we will see you all next time. We'll keep you up to date on what's going on this. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.